Hello students, welcome to all Sarada Goddess School online classes. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start class 7th English grammar chapter 1st noun. First of all we know what is noun. Noun is name of person, place, things, feelings or qualities are called nouns. Once again we see name of creatures, places, things, feelings or qualities are called noun. Name of creature means name of things. All the creatures come under category all the living things come under the creatures. Again places, all the places. Again all the things, all feelings and all qualities are come to under the category of noun. It means all the naming persons, place or things are called nouns. It means all the names are called nouns. For example, Ram, Delhi, books, table, army, happiness all are the examples of the nouns. And how many kinds of noun? Nouns are divided in 4 categories. First, proper noun. First, proper noun. Proper noun. It means particular person, place or things are called proper noun. For example, Ram is a good boy. It means only Ram is a good boy. Ram is a proper noun. Delhi is a capital of India. It means Delhi is the proper noun. First, proper noun. Second one is common noun. Common noun. In this category, all the general things are come. For example, city. For example, city, boys, girls, etc. all come under the category of common noun. It means all the general names are come under the category of common noun. Third one is and also common noun. Also common noun divided into 2 categories. First, countables noun. Countables noun. And the second one is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Countable nouns can be numbered in singular or plural. It's called countable noun. Like we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15, 100, 200, 250. It's come to under the category of countable nouns. Like fan, for example, fans. Number of student. And second one is uncountable nouns, cannot be numbered. For example, some water, some milk, some oil, few milk, few water, few oil, few rice. It come under the category of uncountable noun. For example, few, some. Again, we proceed to the third one, that is collective noun. Collective collective noun. It means collection of place, person, things or animals are called collective nouns. Collection of anything like person, place or things. For example, army is a collection of soldiers. For example, swarm of bees, it means collection of the bees. It come to the category under the collective nouns. All these collection of any things, place, person or animals come to the category of collective nouns. So we know about the word collection. Collection means इकट्ठा, यानी अगर कोई वस्तु इकट्ठा हम करते हैं तो वो कलेक्शन के अंदर यानी कलेक्टिव नाउन्स के अंदर आती है. एंड फोर्थ वन इज material noun. Material nouns are those nouns which have substances. Means iron, silver, gold, milk, all these are come to under the category of material. Material means substance. Those substance we can use come to the under of category materials noun. For example, iron, silver, gold and milk. So student, first of all we know about the nouns and its kind. First, proper noun. Second is common noun. Common noun again divided into two parts. Part A, countable nouns, and part B, uncountable nouns. Third one is collective nouns, means collection, and fourth one is material nouns, it means substance. So this is your first chapter now. So student, you all see your exercises. First exercise given, exercise B, read the passage below and identify proper and common noun. You all read this passage and try to find out proper and common noun. And second one is C, identify countable and uncountable, concrete and abstract and collection nouns in these sentences and write them in table on page number 9. And it means here. You all from this exercise you find the nouns and write down here which one is abstract, which one is uncountable, which one is collective nouns. So you all done and I am also providing you answers. So you all stay home, stay safe. Thank you.